What's going on, guys? Today on the rotary shop we're gonna be installing endlinks. Now, since this is almost a 30-year-old car, all the suspension parts are pretty tired and worn out. So today we're gonna start with the endlinks, and after that we'll continue on with sway bars and then all the bushings that go along with it. The sway bar and bushings will come down the road. Today we're just gonna be installing the endlinks. So let's get started. Well, obviously the first thing we need to do is jack up the car. So I'm gonna start with the back, since it's the easiest way to jack up both sides of the car with one shot. So let's get to it. And this is how this side came out. Looks nice and clean. That's the finished product. Once it's all installed, it's definitely noticeable. Alright guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I'm gonna continue dropping a video every Wednesday, so stay tuned for that, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace!